And it's still my man's going crazy. Could've took your little bitch, but I'm lazy. Shout out to that little bitch, her name Daisy. And it's what's up, YouTube? You know who it is, yo. My bad about the bad lighting, though. Bad lighting, low-key ass. Why my camera looks shitty? Nigga, you look like I Love McConan. Hell no, that nigga look like Ben Simmons. You know who Ben Simmons is? I can't hear you, bruh.
I do not look like Ben Simmons.
Nigga, you like, I don't know. How old is you?
I'm 62.
You what?
62.
Oh, that's funny. That's real funny.
You know what else is funny?
What?
Your haircut.
Your haircut funny. Get in the camera. I'll flame you right now.
No, I'm good. I'm good on that.
Type shit. That's what I'm saying. Like I'll roast you right now.
No, because if I get in the camera, you're gonna start blushing.
I don't got time for that little. Hey.
Nah, for that bitch to bend over, doing all that shit, come up in your shit like, what's happening? Get
Hey.
that shit moving in this shit, and I got motion. What you talking about this shit? Nah, my name Frank Oslin.
Frank Oslin.
Wait, look.
That nigga said Frank Oslin.
Hey, I got some old wrinkly niggas in my pants doing all that shit. Pull up in this bitch. I got a gun like John Morant. Shooting all these niggas, bitch. I'm high up off that plane.
Hey.
I don't want to hear a bitch rant. Doing all that shit. Pull up, and I'm a big man. Probably dunked on your bitch ass like with your brick ass. Send a blick bag.
Hey.
Nah, I'm really on that shit, man. I'm really going crazy.
Hey, you trying to flame?
Snake finger ass boy. I want to get in a little.
Yo, Frank Gore looking ass.
Overly freaky. You overly grown in your mom's making your monkey face ass.
Yo ass eat hella dill pickles for breakfast with your freaky ass. Yo ass got a stink tooth in the back of the corner over there.
I bet you did. I bet you Uber everywhere.
Big lip ass.
Your ass like a good looking ass nigga. Your ass ugly shit.
Nigga eat green grass and weeds with his freaky ass. That nigga a gorilla with his freaky ass.
Your ass look like a tatted finger.
That. What's up?
Hello.
How old is you?
18.
You for real?
Mm.
Let me get a 360.
What the fuck? Why is there a noodle on my...
Oh, well, I barely back up a little bit.
Yes!
Okay.
He wants to see you. All the spices in this kitchen.
Who's that? She bad.
Hi.
How old is you?
18.
Oh, you got a boyfriend?
He said you have a boyfriend. I have no boyfriend. No mans.
Were you looking for one?
I'm not really looking for anything, but I'd be open.
Type shit.
What's the number one piece of advice you would give them?
Shit. Looking ass. Wait. How old is you?
How old is you?
I asked you first.
But I'm asking you now. So.
Okay, but one goes before two, right?
Okay. I'm 17.
Oh!
Yeah, about time to go, y'all. Time to go.
It's longer than yours, and they better. Is that DDG? Yo, I know you got this a lot. You look like DDG, bro.
Everybody say it, bro.
Nigga, it's bro. You got the beard and the chin. That's all. That's all you got in the eyes. That's it, bro.
I barely got the beard. All I got is a little.
Your eye go like this. Back up from the camera, fool.
Nigga, my camera fucked up. I can't do nothing about it.
Bro, you want some?
That's a hair tie.
Maya, what's up?
I got an elastic in my cup.
Oh, what?
Elastic, like a little elastic hair tie.
Where you from?
I'm from Tennessee. Where are you from?
I'm from Nashville.
No, you're not.
How old is you, though?
We're 18.
Oh, shoot. Y'all straight? Or y'all go both ways?
Bro, what?
Is it just because I have my hair back? Like,
I'm just asking, just general. Like, I just
We're
don't know.
like I just have to go to work. Like, sorry.
Oh, your
We're
best friends? Who,
we're
Maya?
I'm Maya. She's Brianna. She's from New York. I'm from Tennessee because she moved away a little while ago.
Well, I'm trying to date Maya. What's up?
You want to date me?
Yeah. She laughing over there.
You want to get married?
Hey, don't skip me and don't do no extra. Yeah, I'm trying to get. If you're gonna skip me now. Let me know now. Let's just.
Don't worry. I'll give you. I have a surprise for you coming up.
But yeah, I'm trying to date you. Yeah.
Listen.
You want to date me? You're from Tennessee.
Nashville.
What's your name? Sorry, I can't see that far.
D-Lo.
That's your name?
Yeah, you
Full
like
name.
it? Huh?
What's your name?
It's D-Lo.
That's not your name. You're lying to me.
How?
There you go. That's my nephew's name, actually.
Your nephew, he took my name then.
He's a baby.
He
looks like.
He does not look
He
like.
looks like.
You look like me? How you look like me?
Is he your son?
Boy, ain't no way, boy.
Jiggy?
And they named him after him.
Is his name Jiggy?
My name him. You said you 21?
Mm-hmm.
Shit, me and you look good together. I ain't gonna lie.
Please get out of my face.
All right, you want to be friends then? You want to be friends first?
Do you want to be something more before friends?
Yeah, I want to be your boyfriend, honestly.
Why do you want to be my boyfriend?
Cause me and you look good together. Like, I'm brown skin, I'm low key light skin, and you just a baddie.
You're flattering me.
I'm serious though, like, and we got a special connection. Like, everything's just flowing right now. You feel me?
Mhm.
So like, I'm just saying, it's just the perfect thing.
Let me get to know you. I don't know.
What you trying to know then? You know, you feel me? We already FaceTime.
Tell me something about. Tell me like an introduction to you, and I'll tell you an introduction to me.
Shit.
I look awful right now. This is the worst time for me. That's why I was in the dark. I'm usually not in the dark on here. I've been on here like 3 other times.
Put your face up. Cause you know, I just got. Wait, how tall is you?
I'm 6'2".
For real?
No.
I was gonna say, damn, low key. I'll say damn, but that's cool
How
though.
tall are you?
Shit, I'm 6'1".
I'm 5'10".
That's perfect.
2 seconds later.
I just followed you. Your name is Jalen?
Yeah, my name's Jalen. This is Mila. You.
18.
That's your boyfriend? Wait, look at hell no. But that ain't your man's? Oh. That ain't your man's? He looking at you. That nigga is hilarious. Whoa.
Hey, you got this part of your arm tatted?
This nah. This the
That shit gonna
outside.
hurt.
Yeah,
I won't get that shit. I'm trying to figure out if somebody ever got it.
That shit hurt. I ain't gonna lie. Y'all wanna hear me freestyle? No? Yeah?
Go ahead.
What? Hey. Hey. What? Hey. What? Hey. What? Slap. Hey. What? Hey. Yeah. 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 What? Hey. What? Hey, yeah. Hit that little bitch from the back. Me and my niggas just pointing foes. She is a runner for sure. I hit her friend on the low. Yeah, she was on go. Me and my niggas on go. Me and my niggas on go. No, we not no fucking ho. Oh! My bad. What's your name, Snowflake, though? Oh, shit. Oh, that's your... Is that your boyfriend? That's your boyfriend?
No.
Oh, then what's your name? Shit. How old you is?
18.
19?
18.
Oh, tight shit. You got a boyfriend? Well, we just found you one. What up? You fucking with it or you not fucking with it?
Why is he making this face?
I might.
2 seconds later.
Okay. You want to hear me freestyle? Fuck it, huh? She want me. She want me. I'll freestyle on that bitch. Hey, wait. Hey, what's your snap?
It's K-A-Y.
Genius.
Bitches on her dick, come again, they could get fucked. Stop playing these games, let us get some.
Right now.
Your house not clean? Ah, why you drinking piss? Let me see it again. Let me see the cup again.
Nigga hopped off, son. Whole ass nigga.
That's straight piss. Why you drinking it? Oh my god.
What you
Pornhub.
DDG. Let me get a signature, bro.
Oh my god.
Take a picture. Say you met DDG.
Oh, hold on. Screenshot.
Wait, I just screenshot it. Oh, there.
I just met DDG, guys. Oh my gosh.
Hey. You want to hear me freestyle?
Yeah, actually, freestyle. Like,
Freestyle for real?
Like, for real.
For real?
He skipped.
No.
Why you look like DDG, bro?
Why do everybody keep saying that shit?
Bro, you look like DDG.
Look it up.
Bro.
Hey, take a screenshot. You met DDG.
I bet.
Bro, I did. That's just DDG.
Yo. Bro, you look like his cousin or brother or something, bro.
Sassy.
I'm in the camera, ho.
Big face ass.
Your mother.
Big lip ass.
Your mother.
Your ass eat hella pickles on the weekends. Your ass.
What's wrong with pickles?
You get. I don't know. She was trying to flame. Who was talking shit?
You should.
All of us.
Nigga, your ass eat deer meat.
And now back to your regularly scheduled program.
Yo, what's good, gang? You got mad tattoos.
I know.
What the fuck?
What
You
you
pulling
want?
all the hoods on this hoe, huh?
I be trying to reserve, but I don't
You
got no
get mad
host.
hoes on here. Stop capping.
No, I don't. I be on YouTube with it. I make YouTube videos.
What's your YouTube?
You wanna type it? I mean, you want me to say it?
Yeah, say that shit.
J. Where the bros at?
I'm trying to binge. Like,
These niggas get.
He nasty. You say you a free bird right now, but like, me and you already got a connection though.
For real? Nah, but for real, how old are you?
How old are you? 21? You 21? That's what I'm saying. Like, where you from?
Maryland.
Oh, okay. I be in. So like, can we be best friends then?
You want to be best friends?
I mean, I want to be your boyfriend, but you just playing, so.
what are you doing on this app?
What you doing on this app?
I'm on stream, good sir.
You
What
look,
doing here?
you look like that one basketball player. You know, Sky.
Sky Clark?
Yeah, the one with Bronny in them.
Yeah, he's my grandpa.
For real?
Yeah.
You streaming right now? What up, stream? What up, chat?
Nah. Stream don't even talk and shit. They're
Oh,
disabled. I only got deaf people.
I don't know. I think I've seen you. Unless you're not the dude with the hand tat. You don't got a hand tat, right?
Nah, I'm Sky Clark.
Oh, you is Sky Clark. I met Sky Clark on here. Hey, say what up. I'm streaming too.
Sky Tukle too. Had a horse got a too. Skip. My fault.
Hey, what's up?
Hi.
How old you is?
I'm 19. You have a lot of tattoos.
Yeah, you like them?
I can't really see them. Yeah, they're cool.
You single?
Mm-hmm.
Shit. Well, you just found you a boyfriend. What up?
What?
You just found you a boyfriend. What up?
My boyfriend is crazy.
Shit. What you want me to be your sneaky link then?
We can be friends for now.
Friends for now?
Mm-hmm. You a YouTuber?
Yeah.
Oh my God, are you recording?
I mean, wait.
Did you pray today? Because if you didn't, I might have to get you down on some gangster shit.
Oh! Yeah, but it's perfect though, because you just found your husband. What up?
What did you just do?
What up?
Oh, it's okay.
It's okay.
Yeah.
You want to just be friends then?
Yeah.
Why are you covering me? Me and you look good together. Like, I just want to know why.
I don't know you.
That's what I'm
Friends
saying.
is good. You can get out of the friend zone.
Oh, so I can get out of the friend zone then.
Yeah.
Oh, like that!
Are your teeth real?
Yeah, you think they fake or something?
Yeah, they look they look like really good.
Thank you, I appreciate it. They are crazy, but you know what's crazier?
I'm listening.
How I don't got your Instagram or anything like that or Snapchat.
You can get my email. I know you've never given a girl your email, so give me your email.
I don't do email. I just go.
Everybody has email.
I know, but damn, I ain't trying to do all that. I might as well get your number at this point.
That's not even doing the most. You have to work up to the number. No.
So I'm saying you might as well give me your snap and we should snap each other.
I don't know about you, man.
What do you mean you don't know about me? What's wrong with me? What's wrong with me? Let me know. You light skinned or you brown skinned, huh? You like a light brown skin.
Yeah, I've been out in the sun.
But you usually light skin.
No, I would say brown skin. I just get more brown skin. Like, I feel like I'm like in between. Like, we're like the same. Well, no, you're kind of like. I feel like I don't know. I don't know. Give me like a situation, and I'll. You're a little.
I'm not toxic.
A little toxic.
I'm not
just
toxic.
a little bit.
I'm not
just
toxic.
A little bit.
I'm not toxic. That's what I'm saying. You toxic? Or...
No.
Yeah, I don't like toxic stuff.
I don't either.
That's what I'm saying. Like, we have so much in common.
So much.
Yeah, we have a lot in common. All right, you want to be best friends? We can be best friends.
Yeah.
All right, so we besties.
Yeah, we can be best friends.
Okay, I'll take best friend.
Genius.
Bitches on her dick, come again. They